The purpose of a business is to make money, and that generally happens through sales. But then there are many other functions in any business in a day-to-day basis. Procurement, production, order processing, distribution, logistics, accounting, banking, hiring, and so many. Some of these functions are core functions and the others are support functions. Where do you keep marketing? A core function or a support function? Anything that drives your business or anything that earns money for your business is essentially a core function. Sales definitely is a core function. But sales is not possible without marketing. But then unfortunately, we have seen that there are organizations who keep marketing as a non-core function. During my last 25 years of experience into marketing and sales, I have come across many businesses and entrepreneurs who consider marketing to be a non-core function. It's not because they intend to avoid marketing. It perhaps because they don't have too much of focus into it. It generally happens when an entrepreneur does not have a natural instinct for marketing and he is too much dependent on others for this function, which he doesn't want to be. And naturally the business function gets ignored and they suddenly realize it when their sales slow down, the business falls down in terms of revenues, and they haphazardly start with some marketing campaign and some marketing function. But this marketing generally happens in an unplanned and an unstructured manner. Most of the time they do it so hurriedly that they don't have the adequate budgets for it. It's done with a very tight budgets, severely tight budgets. And they don't have even space and the time to get results. They always look for instant and fast results through these marketing activities, and these doesn't happen most of the time. Their marketing campaigns fail, and as a result of which the business gets affected badly. I have seen many businesses that have permanently closed down just because that they have lacked adequate marketing. Marketing is one of the most vital functions for any business and can never be taken on a part-time basis. Especially during this modern era, in today's environment, in today's situation where there is a lot of marketing happening by lots of companies, you cannot afford to ignore your marketing or avoid your marketing. You have to be always doing marketing, and this is something which requires knowledge, skills, and experience. We as a full-time marketing agency are a dependable agency. Markall Marketing All Out is a full-service marketing agency you can depend upon. We have all varieties of marketing activities and functions to serve you. If you are looking for any kind of a marketing support, just contact us. We will be helping you grow your business by way of marketing and sales. We look forward to work with you. Thank you.